Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So I hope everybody had a great Father's Day last weekend. It's now a few days gone by. I tried to put a video up then and just things didn't happen. I know most of you guys know my internet here is like horrible, so I usually upload them elsewhere, aka work. But yeah, so I didn't get a chance to do it, and I thought, cool, I'll do it Monday. Well, the thumbnail was screwed up, and I thought, well, no big deal. I uploaded it at work, and I thought I'll come home and fix the thumbnail and post it. We're good to go. No, we lost power, and we lost power for all day that and all day Tuesday here, and yeah, so lights just finally come back on just a little bit ago. So yeah, that was good times. 90-degree weather out there. My generator's out there just crying, just like So yeah, good times. Other than that, my for Father's Day, my daughters and my son-in-law, they took us, my wife and I, out to dinner. So we went to Lake Orion, Michigan, to a Mexican restaurant, and it was fantastic. It was amazing. We got back and she said, "Dad, I got you a gift. Got you a mug." I thought, oh, awesome, a toilet bowl mug. That is sweet. So, I'm more of a black coffee drinker, so I thought, maybe, for those guys that do drink creamer, maybe this open up and you could dump some in it, it'd wick its way down the bowl. But no, it's a fixed unit, which that's okay. So I thought, very cool. I thought that was awesome. The only thing I have to say, though, if you're kind of looking at it, you're looking at it with the coffee in there, it looks like maybe somebody's sick and it's not going down. You know what I mean? So anyways, enough with that, I guess. So like I say, was out and about, picked a few things up, got a few stash ads. Got a shop card, and yeah, so we got a shop card from our friend Justin over at J Hart Model Works. So check out Justin's card. Justin, appreciate the card, man. Thanks for the words. Guys, check out those builds on there. Beautiful, beautiful. Justin does a lot of custom work. Amazing painter. He does really great paint jobs. He does some really cool work over there, and he's one of those guys that pays attention to details. He's pays attention to the little things, and makes note of it. So I thought that's awesome. So go check him out. There'll be a link in the description below, and tell him I said hi. So once again, Justin, thank you so much for the card, man. I really appreciate it. So like I say, guys, go check him out. Also, a while back, I got these pliers. These guys here, these wire form pliers. Got them at Michael's Hobby, Michael's Craft, just down the road from Hobby Lobby. Anyways, so I should have did my homework on these, because I have to admit, these kind of suck. So, but I'm not that guy that's in the store like, oh, let's read the reviews on these, and, oh, 3 stars, not good. No, so I get them, I get home, I try them out, like, wow, these things are horrible. I mean, they work okay, just not for me. So, and like I say, I'm watching videos on how to do my doors for my Mustang, because I am very green at this. I'm that guy in the corner like, hey, what do we do now? I'm that guy. I'm learning as we go. So like I said, I've been watching a lot of videos, and I see everybody using these wire form pliers, and I thought, man, I gotta get me a pair. So I ran out and grabbed these. Yeah, they weren't right. So I ended up picking these up. I got these at Joann's Fabric. That's where Joann's Fabric. That's where I got it. Man, I was having a senior moment there for a minute. Yeah, so we picked these guys up. So I think these will do the job. I think these will fit the bill. These go from 2mm to 8mm for making loops and whatnot. So we're gonna try these out and see how these work, and go from there. And I also picked up a bunch of brass rod and kind of tubing, basically, if you will. Round tube and rod. So fan these out a little bit here if I can. I didn't probably need all of these, but I grabbed a few packets. So I opened them up already to make sure everything fits and works good. They do. Looks like they'll be good, because yeah, I wasn't sure what I needed 100%. And I also picked this guy up. This guy here. So this bad boy is also a K&S product, and this is stock number 1144. This is a 3/32 by 14 thousandths round, and 2.38 millimeters for our friends across the pond. So here's the thing with this. I thought this was kind of interesting. So you get this here. This is like $3 and I don't know, 50 cents. You can buy this in one of these packs. You get 3 of these, like 3 size of this in this pack for like $5.70 or something like that. Wow, that's a big difference. But there's pretty much 3 of these in this one versus this. So you're pretty much paying for the packaging. So I figured, well, I'll do a little bargain shopping, you know, kind of that type of thing. So that's what we ended up getting. And, you know, for me, like I say, I'm just learning this stuff, and I watch a lot of channels on this, and not everybody puts on the size of the product they're using, which, I mean, that's okay. You know, not everybody does that, and that's fine. But for me, when I'm trying to figure something out, like, hey, what size, what'd you use? And so, but yeah, so I watched quite a few channels, and I've been learning a lot, so there's a lot of different techniques out there, so I'm going to take a couple of them, run with it, and we'll see what we come up with. So that's what we got going on with that. Other than that, picked up a couple kits. Also while I was down, we picked up some of this styrene, some evergreen scale models channel, U-channel. I needed some of this for my drip rail around the Mustang, around the hatch where I cut it off. I didn't have that size here, so I figured, you know, we'll grab that while we're there. Other than that, I grabbed this kit while I was down there, and yeah, I had to have it. I know it's not, it was like, ooh, you know, but I like the car. I think it's cool. The 73 Cougar Street Machine by MPC. Round 2. Good old Round 2. I like Round 2. I think they're great. There's always that controversy about that, but you know, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have a lot of these great kits anymore. So say what you want. It's, yeah, I get it. So cool car. I think it was always a neat kit. I was always going to buy it back in the day when I saw it out. I don't think it was out that long ago. I think it was maybe 4 or 5 years ago it was on the shelves. Long enough, I guess. But I saw a lot of videos, you guys doing the going to model shows and all these things, and Round 2s at the tables, and I saw this on there for their demonstration. I thought, oh, they're bringing the cat back. I gotta get it. I gotta get it. So I'll be honest with you, I'll probably do mine as a stock build. I know, you know, rocking the hubcaps and everything else. I'm a stock guy. I like that, but I may do, you know, maybe I'll pick up another one, and maybe I'll build it just like the box art with the lake pipes and the whole 9 yards. I've really never done that, like, you know, like this. I've built box stock before, but not like just like the image on the outside. That's the custom side of it. I've always done the stock end of it. So maybe I'll try that, but the first one will probably be stock. Probably what's going to happen. So my buddy Tony Lancer, he got a hold of me here a while back and wanted to know if I was interested in his other Bigfoot truck. I bought the previous one from him, the 8890-ish body style with the square halogens in it. And he's been liquidating a few of his items and all that stuff. So he asked me if I was interested. I was like, well, I'm going to sell the show. And he said, well, it has been moving. And I thought, well, okay. So we struck a deal on it. And so we got the original 84 AMT Bigfoot. Bigfoot, the #1 Bigfoot model kit. And check out that bad boy. It looks like it's brand new, like it just come off the shelf at Kmart or Ben Franklin or Big Wheel, wherever you got your bottles back then. So she's still wrapped, and yeah, so I think that's cool as can be. Like I say, I think back then it was more Ben Franklin and Big Wheel for me. But that's, yeah, so that's what we got. I thought pretty cool. And it's just funny, back in the day, my brother and I, we must have had so many of these, and we just destroyed them, not knowing they're such a rarity these days, you know. And I'm surprised they haven't been repopped yet. I'm surprised Round 2 hasn't got on board with it and made some new ones. Very cool. And I almost want to be that guy and build it. I almost do. I got some plans with another one coming up. So I'm not sure. It'd be kind of cool to put that one together with that 91. You know, do kind of a... We'll see. Other than that, guys, I think that's all I got for you today. So, once again, thanks for watching. Go check out Justin's channel at J Hart Model Works. And if you guys have not been, go check out Hobby Nut Models. There'll be a link in the description below for both of them. Yeah, other than that, I think we're done. You guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.